The journey of a visionary storyteller, overcoming adversity and igniting imaginations. Wait until you hear what we have uncovered for you today. This information is rarely shared publicly, and understanding it fully could save you years of confusion, frustration, and unnecessary expensive mistakes. In the shadowy alleyways of a bustling city, a young dreamer faced the daunting challenges of urban life. Born into a family marked by financial instability and a series of personal hardships, this aspiring author found solace in the world of books. The weight of societal expectations and familial pressure to secure a conventional career pressed heavily upon her shoulders, yet she remained undeterred. At night, beneath the dim glow of a flickering lamp, she poured her adolescent hopes and fears into notebooks, shaping characters who echoed her own yearning for freedom and expression. The first attempts at writing were met with skepticism and dismissal. As manuscripts were sent to publishers, rejection letters piled up, each one a reminder of the harsh reality she faced. Critics deemed her narratives too unconventional, her voice too raw and unrefined. The world was not yet ready for her bold perspectives and intricate plots, and rejection became a constant companion. Yet, amid the discouragement, her resolve hardened. She embraced the solitude of her craft, refining her prose, deepening her understanding of human nature, and drawing inspiration from the tumultuous streets that surrounded her. A breakthrough moment dawned unexpectedly when a small, up and coming literary magazine recognized the unique power in her storytelling. The editor, captivated by the authenticity and intensity of her voice, offered to publish her first short story. This piece, vivid and unflinching, captured the essence of her struggle and resilience, resonating deeply with readers who had faced their own trials. The horizon of possibility widened, and she seized the opportunity to weave narratives that transcended the confines of ordinary experience, exploring profound and universal themes that spoke to the heart of humanity. Her first success paved the way for a series of celebrated novels, each one a testament to her evolving craft and unyielding spirit. She crafted worlds that were both familiar and fantastical, using language that was lyrical and evocative. Her writing style, characterized by intricate character development and richly imagined settings, drew readers into immersive experiences, challenging their perceptions and igniting their imaginations. Her most famous works became staples of contemporary literature, cherished for their ability to blend realism with imagination and to evoke emotion through carefully wrought prose. The themes she explored were as diverse as her own life experiences. Her narratives delved into the complexities of identity, the struggle for self discovery, and the enduring human capacity for hope and redemption. She confronted societal norms, unraveling the intricacies of human relationships and the tension between tradition and modernity. Her stories became mirrors reflecting the multifaceted nature of existence, encouraging readers to examine their own lives and the world around them with newfound clarity and empathy. Her literary legacy is profound and far reaching, influencing a generation of writers who found inspiration in her fearless exploration of untold stories. She challenged the status quo, proving that literature could be both a form of social commentary and a source of personal liberation. Her work has become a cornerstone in the study of contemporary fiction, celebrated for its innovative narrative techniques and its ability to capture the essence of human experience in all its complexity. For aspiring writers, she stands as a beacon of inspiration, embodying the transformative power of perseverance and creativity. Her journey from rejection to recognition underscores the importance of staying true to one's vision, even in the face of adversity. She encourages new voices to embrace their unique perspectives and to use their writing as a tool for change, reminding them that every story has the potential to impact hearts and minds across the globe. In the tapestry of literary history, her legacy is woven with threads of courage, imagination, and unwavering determination. Her story is a testament to the enduring power of the written word and its ability to transcend boundaries, challenge conventions, and inspire generations to dream beyond the ordinary. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.